is super, super early. It's like 5:40 right now. Hi, John.
Hello. Yeah, come on.
Here, we got Hannah. And we both have cold coffee because it's freaking 80 degrees. Let's go to breakfast. Hannah's using her pedal.
Yeah, I'm fancy.
She's trying to sell me on the pedal. Let's try it.
It feels nice.
I don't know if I've ever been on a bus that has pedals. I feel like we're going to Disneyland. We're on a ride.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is fun. Okay, pedals wins. There's people on this bus from everywhere, and there's people from Canada.
Did you know it's Canada Day?
Canada Day. Our tour guide was like, oh, is it Canadian Independence Day?
Why do they still have the Queen on their money?
What? But we're still not sure if he meant it as a sincere question.
I don't think he was trying to be funny.
Misha Collins is here. It's Misha.
We just got our itinerary. Looks very itinerary-like. Jam-packed.
Boom.
Look how fancy this is.
Ooh, photograph.
Oh.
Holy moly. These are magically at the same level that they were when we first started today.
I ate some of your pancake.
That's fine. I had some of your chips. Oh, this is extra. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Greg. Here you go.
And slightly above.
Slightly above tour.
Ground level.
So tons of people like came here to work, to find work. We couldn't find work, right? And then the high scalers, those are the guys that drilled holes in the canyon, blew up the walls. Those are cement buckets right there. And those are the turns, the still turns. Have you guys gotten stuck in a timeshare presentation yet here in Vegas?
Yes.
Anybody? Don't fall. I hate timeshare presentations.
They
Waste of
promised me
time.
a trip to Disney.
Rick and I would like to welcome you to our timeshare presentation. Now that we're going to be here to the Grand Canyon, I'd like to tell you all about a wonderful opportunity now.
Why is this tunnel? We're at the Hoover Dam now.
We're gonna go down 69 steps.
We're gonna go up. She wants to go down. Woo. That's how close they drop you off. Okay, these are Hoover Dam underpants. They're doing zigzags. Okay, well, whatever.
People are running. If we take breaks, we might be able to make it up.
Stretch it out. Here we go. Oh good, we have like bailout options. We can do the ramp if we change our mind. Oh my god. I know, right? That's how in shape we are. You gonna bail out yet?
We're getting our steps in.
That doesn't reflect the amount of effort that I feel like I put into that. Puts mirrors up here. How mean is that? This mountain needs to shave more often. It's got stubbly.
Water, things like that.
You brought like 3 bottles of water.
I know, I don't bring them with you.
Oh, another little portal to another world. These mirrors are outward facing. Welcome to Nevada! Sorry, there was a bee. Nevada!
Arizona?
What is the space in between the signs called? Nevada Zona?
Yay!
We are now in Nevada. Whoa, whoa, look how high it is.
Holy shit. Don't fall.
No, even right here, it's ridiculous. No, no, you can't tell on camera. It doesn't look
You
as.
wanna go bungee jumping off of it?
No, do you?
I would do it.
You cray. Enter at your own risk. That's
I would have
reassuring.
confidence to get back.
Oh no! Ah! That truck just went by. It was huge. On the way here on the bus, I was trying to see where we were going. Is that it? Is that it? Is that it? And Hannah's like, no. It's like a wall.
It's a big wall, and there it is.
And our tour guide's like, it it is like a big wall.
He called me a structural engineer.
You were able to pronounce that.
Show them a wall.
It's windy. Yeah, look at the big wall. It's like a wall.
Don't drop it.
I won't. I can't. Oh my god, it does feel like you're gonna fall. And it's really far. Oh.
How far up are we?
Way too far. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. It is like a dizzying height. It's really pretty. Oh god! Oh my god! I'm so scared of how high this is.
You think we could slide down the...
Oh my god. Yeah, oh no. Nope, that's as far as I can lean. I can't even. There's our bighorn sheeps.
That's good luck, right?
Yeah.
Now we can go gamble.
Now we can get on that helicopter.
We're running back to catch the bus.
Way back's harder. It's downhill. Don't leave us. Oh my god.
1 minute.
Wait, 1 minute. It's barely enough time. Oh my god. I feel like I'm in the Blair Witch Project. I'm running. I see the bus. Risky places.
The vlog ladies would like to point out this tunnel that apparently has no reason to be. Yes, ma'am. Oh, look at that. Bam. The military checkpoint, ladies. The newlyweds, they're all over it.
I got it.
That's the Colorado River.
The Colorado River.